3D artist, you gotta panic right now. You know why? Because what you're looking at is completely made with AI. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the newest technology in the world. OpenAI's new model called Sora, which will destroy many jobs but will obviously create many, many more opportunities for those who will catch it. Just look at it. This is created completely with AI, with no modifications. It is the modification part is that crucial that they specifically noted that in their website. Here, let me show you. All videos on this page were generated directly by Sora without modifications, and it is crazy. It is, I don't know what to say. It is completely amazing. The abilities that this model has is beyond everything that we have ever seen. Just look, persistency, beauty, detail, everything is perfect, and this is the complete future. Enjoy. And if you are an artist or a videographer, video maker, you gotta change whatever you are doing. This technology can make you broke, or in the same time, it can just make you save a lot of money, lots and lots and lots of money. This is amazing, pure gold. Just look at the quality. Look at the freedom that this model gives you. Wow, wow, just wow. Look. This is another example. Look at the facial details that this model gives you. The persistency is the most fascinating part of this model. You know, I haven't seen any artifact, but if you find one, they are really rare. This is a work of art, man. This is the future. Then, to be honest, I'm telling you, this model may just take on the world, and the other ones will just fail because of the quality of output that this one can give you. OpenAI says that this model with OpenAI says that with the help of this model, you will be able to create videos of up to 60 seconds featuring highly detailed scenes. As you can see, man, I can't even believe that this video is completely made with AI. Just look at the details and consistency. Wow. This is the future. I just wanted to tell you this. It is crazy. And hope you enjoy it.